Have you ever stopped to think about how important water is? It covers most of our planet Earth. Look around you. You can probably spot water in many places. It's in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It falls from the sky as rain and even forms beautiful snowflakes in winter. Water is essential for all life on Earth. Every plant and animal needs water to survive. We drink it, wash with it, and it helps our bodies function properly. Even the food we eat needs water to grow. Imagine a world without water. It would be a dry, barren wasteland. Without water, there would be no lush forests, colorful coral reefs, or playful dolphins leaping in the waves. So let's dive in and discover what makes water this unique and magical substance. Water might look simple, but it has some incredible secrets hidden within its molecules. A water molecule is like a tiny magnet with two poles, a positive side and a negative side. We call this a polar molecule. Think of it like this. Imagine a water molecule as a tiny spaceship with two seats. One seat has a plus sign and the other has a minus sign. These opposite charges make water molecules attract other molecules like little magnets. This magnetic attraction is why water is so good at dissolving things. When you stir sugar into water, the water molecules use their positive and negative sides to pull the sugar molecules apart, making the sugar disappear into the water. The magic of water doesn't stop there. Water molecules are also incredibly sticky. They love to hold onto each other, forming special bonds called hydrogen bonds. These bonds are like tiny handshakes between the molecules. These handshakes are what give water its surface tension. Have you ever seen a spider walking on water? The surface of the water acts like a thin, invisible film because of surface tension caused by those strong hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are also responsible for capillary action. This is how water climbs up thin tubes, like the stems of plants. The water molecules hold on to each other and the sides of the tube, pulling themselves upwards against gravity. Section 4. Water's shape-shifting abilities. One of the most amazing things about water is its ability to exist in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. You see this every day. When you put ice cubes in your drink, they melt from solid ice into liquid water. When you boil water for pasta, it turns into steam, which is water vapor, the gaseous state of water. These transformations are all part of the water cycle, a continuous journey of water moving between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. The water cycle is essential for life, distributing water around the planet and regulating our climate. Section 5. Ice, the water that floats. Here's something truly unusual about water. It expands when it freezes. Most substances get smaller when they freeze, but water does the opposite. This is because of those incredible hydrogen bonds again. When water freezes into ice, the hydrogen bonds lock the water molecules into a crystalline structure with spaces between them. This makes ice less dense than liquid water, which is why ice floats on top of water instead of sinking. This unique property of water is crucial for life in lakes and oceans. When the surface of a lake freezes over in winter, the floating ice acts like a blanket, insulating the water below and allowing fish and other aquatic creatures to survive. Section 6. Water, Earth's personal thermostat. Water is also a master temperature regulator. It takes a lot of energy to heat up water compared to other substances. This is known as having a high specific heat capacity. Think about a day at the beach. The sand might be scorching hot, but the ocean water feels much cooler. This is because water can absorb a lot of heat energy without its temperature changing drastically. This property of water helps regulate Earth's climate, moderating temperatures and preventing extreme fluctuations. Water also helps regulate our body temperature, keeping us cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold. Section 7. Water, the elixir of life. Water is often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This property is vital for life as it allows water to transport nutrients and minerals within living organisms. Think of our bodies as intricate networks of rivers and streams. Water acts as the lifeblood, carrying essential nutrients to our cells and flushing away waste products. Without water, our bodies wouldn't be able to function. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest whales, all life on Earth depends on water. It's the magical ingredient that makes our planet a vibrant and thriving ecosystem. Water is truly a remarkable substance. It's essential for life, regulates our climate, and has unique properties that make our planet habitable. So, next time you take a sip of water, remember the magic it holds and appreciate its vital role in our world.